that has a challenge to the Filipino youth, particularly those out of school. It wants them to enroll in technical vocational courses, which are much needed in the international market. This report.
Technical Education Skills Development Authority Secretary Joel Villanueva called on all out-of-school youths to take advantage of government's call for them to enroll in the much-needed technical vocational skilled workforce in the international market. The TESDA-SAR said that the international market had been steadily increasing, thus the need for skilled workers, particularly Filipinos. As part of government's program on development of skills and competency, Villanueva launched the Cash for Training program, or a free technical vocational education and skills training project that will provide 20,000 peso training and cash allowance assistance to each DSWD identified beneficiary in Baguio and Benguet. Close to 93 million pesos was allotted to 1,037 scholars in the Cordillera Administrative Region.
Ito ho ay initial pa lamang. Ito ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon na minere namin itong DSWD programs at TESDA programs. So napaka-challenging on their part not only to profile itong mga out-of-school youth kasi ho, ang isang pinakamalaking challenge to transform and change their mindset and perspective na hindi sila dapat maging tambay at gustuhin nilang maging makabuluhan yung kanilang pamumuhay.
Meanwhile, Villanueva disclosed that starting this year, government is set to administer the Philippine Qualifications Framework to strengthen the global competitiveness not only of skilled workers but professionals as well. This, he said, will be a measuring tool that will give the opportunity for workers to enhance their qualifications through equivalency program.
Let me give you a very good news kasi before the end of the year, we were able to finish itong IRR na pinirma executive order ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino, which is the Philippine Qualifications Framework. This is very important because you are harmonizing the curriculums at all levels from Department of Education to TESDA to CHED and at the same time ng DOLE. So hindi lang po yung curriculum ang aming ginagawa ngayon, kundi pati na rin po yung needs ng mga industriya, whether abroad or here.
From the city of Baguio for the People's Television, Jonathan Lianes.